How to fix Monopoly Go invite friends not working. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Monopoly Go on your phone. Now in the bottom right corner, you can see friends. You want to go ahead and tap on it. Here you can see contacts, Facebook and invite in the bottom. You want to tap on invite, and when you tap on the first option, you'll be able to invite your friends through various medias. And when you tap on invite Facebook, you'll open Messenger and you'll be able to send it to your friends. But if it's not working, make sure you have updated version of Monopoly Go that you can check from App Store. You can also tap on the first invite, which will take you to this, and you'll be able to share with various apps like Instagram, Viber and many more. You can tap on more and there are more options. So if this invite is not working, what you can do next is you can clear all the cache of Monopoly Go by offloading the app, or you can delete the app and reinstall it again. And that is how you can fix Monopoly Go invite friends not working. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.